waters. The areas affected include nearshore and open waters from Detroit River LD to Maumee Bay, Ohio to the islands, Ohio. At 8:01 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms, capable of producing winds to around 30 knots. These thunderstorms were located over Ball's Harbor of Refuge, moving east at 40 knots. The strong thunderstorm will be near Putin Bay around 8:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the strong thunderstorms include Reno Beach. Mariners can expect gusty winds to around 30 knots, locally higher waves, and lightning strikes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Here is the
My first time recording a marine weather statement.